Hello and welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quincy Graves and today we are aboard a Crest Savannah 250. This is going to be the ultra luxury series of the Crest line. You'll notice that you have nice bolsters in the backrest and lumbar support. You'll have beautifully appointed interior seats and a very popular option with the ski locker. So we move towards the midship. You will notice we have set up as a dual captain's chair model with bolsters. So with you and your co-captain, you'll have plenty of seating and comfortable seating up here. The dash layout on this is a very popular style. You'll have your gauge cluster up to the left. On the right side, you will have the Garmin digital dash. The Garmin is going to control all the amenities on this boat, so you'll notice you have 4 switches here. Everything else will be controlled through your Garmin. Clips audio system in this, so they take some of the best in-home audio system and they put it on the boats. You will have the digital shift and a power top on this boat. So we move towards the back. You will notice that we have the same loungers in the back, pop-up armrest, dual battery system. And here in the back, the power plant is going to be a Mercury 300 outboard. If you have any questions about this Crest or anything else that we have talked about in this video, give us a call. Our link and phone number are in the description below.